In this video, you know about what are the ways to add your videos to the working area on Vsdc video editor. So keep watch this video till the end, otherwise you miss some important methods. First open the Vsdc video editor first and click the blank project here and change the title if you want and click the finish. After getting this window, you can easily add like drag and drop the videos to the working area like that. This is the first method. For the second method, you see here add videos, click here and select the folder, which folder you saved your videos, and go to the folder and select which video you want to add, then click OK. Now the second video successfully added. If you not add the add object layout here, then go to the add object here and go to video and select which video you want to add and click OK. For the fourth method, select Shift plus V on your keyboard to select the videos like this, then click OK. If you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel now, because a lot of yarning and more useful contents are coming soon, and share this video to new YouTubers to help them, and comment below what are the topics actually you want, because without your interaction I am unable to know what you want. So please comment below what are the topics actually you want.